Menstro, menstro, menstro. Ya wanyamya ya nyenonam. Ogoche suane nanankensio. Juda busia kumu jata. Saini kunyimzi franka. Ansramo poemo sintrabande. Akuvuja shwana kucham. Atini na fapi. In a fire by all the man kuma. Yansabwa kwa onyimatinina. Ansana rati babwati. Abankasia ati munkum. Ioja fedum jena matata. Okromota wakotini wapawa nyeye. Akrosa na matu na bawa onshie. Etebota Eni akroba tunyami Wachibwa oni yeye Naoni ashasi Etebwa pamensu Anema asasi kaseso Timu yanu satrana Yanyunu nama esro.
The man who believes in one God. How many gods do you believe? We are talking about the man who believes in one God. Nipebiya or GT say, Yankopo Yabako. Another mechanism. And no one. Nipebiya or GT. Nachi no GT no mechanism. First one F. Second one F. GD. Who did this say? Yankopo. Who need say Yankopo Yabako? Then say no. Why not GD say Yankopo Yabako. You will have GD say Yankopo Yabako. But only GD Yankopo Bako. Because what you believe, you must believe. You can indeed. To be saved.
Your belief becomes your belief.
Can you first one number first, F number first, F here now.
F near now.
And a V. So you believe that there is one God. Then you believe that my God who is one is like this. Because also verb no doing word. That one is action. And you want to mean say you will GDA was Samimu. That's a Mitchell one, not me wrong one. Exactly. And I answer with it. Want to mean say me GD Sassofunti or in Apaqua. Na no GDA was Soffunti. Na asema Soffunti eka sese in Apaqua was a menge. And actually, when I see you, I'm picturing those who are listening to us. Now the air anymore. Am I? Is it okay? Yeah. When I believe in Teresa that he exists or she exists, all right, then I have a belief in her. What it means that what Teresa stands for, I must believe. It must influence me. Enti near ujidisa wohono. E wose saade ko na ujidisa wohono. E se unyamu jidie. Enti emu jidie no ye influence. Enti the word BELIEVE no a action. What you believe have influence. Yen kan quotations ni. Yen kan. First of all, Yankan Genesis 15 verse 6. Genesis 15:6. And the other kind
Genesis 15 verse 6. And he believed in the Lord, and he counted it to him for righteousness. And he said unto him, I am the Lord that brought thee out of Ur of the Chaldees.
And he believed in God. Lord, no spell money.
Capital L, capital O, capital R, capital D.
Yeah, discuss. What does it mean? What does this mean? Abraham heard the voice. Well, who in any form, he heard a voice that get thee of thy father's house, get thee of thy kindred, and get thee of thy country, unto a land I will show thee. So Abraham heard a voice. He believed the voice. I can't the next word Abraham have to do, the VE must come in. Say all packing near Marco, not knowing where exactly he was going. The VE believe. So let's read it again. Once again.
Genesis 15 verse 6. And he believed in the Lord, and he counted it to him for righteousness. And he said unto him, I am the Lord that brought thee out of Ur of the Chaldees, to give thee this land to inherit it. And he said, Lord God, whereby shall I know that I shall inherit it? And he said unto him, take me an heifer of 3 years old.
General, Sarkochi, 15 verse 6.
Verse 6. And he believed in the Lord, and he counted it to him for righteousness.
See you, Abraham. Okay, Kachino. Monkai. You can also can English answer.
Genesis 15, verse 6. And he believed in the Lord, and he counted it for him for righteousness.
See you, at home. Because what you believe should be you. What a man believe. Adena wo jiti no. Wo mu jiti no. Ese ye wa. And it's a wo jiti Nyankopon dia. Wo jiti New Jerusalem so di. Because when you take away God, New Jerusalem was no more exist. So we can't say we believe in God and we agree in divorce. Where did you pick that information from? What me ya cat as a woman in Nyankopon. The Nyankopon in the father they also Abraham or Jean Nyankopon back Nyankopon so obu no bim. So it's in say okay what do you ever kind.
And he believed in the Lord, and he counted it to him for righteousness.
And he counted it to him for righteousness. Yes, yeah.
Na oje already di.
Now oje already di. What? You think God will make a mistake?
No.
So what happened that God will consider Abraham as righteous? Because the VE has come. Then
na oje already di.
now oje already di.
No buye satine ne eman.
I will not swear the same.
Capital A W.
I'm going to find capital letters. Full God. I want the capital letters. Oh, they want the capital.
Yeah.
So we are modernized. Oh, the old one. So I say cheap pronoun. New one on my the capital letters because over English now a capital letter. One another version. Any version. Maybe Africa amplified version or any other version. I have it on this one. Oh, read amplified.
Genesis 15 verse 6. And he, Abraham, believed in, trusted in, relied on, remained steadfast to the Lord.
Marty. Sorty.
International version.
What's it say?
Abraham believed the Lord. It was credited to him as righteousness.
Tambe na Abraham will call heaven. Tambe na Abraham will call Tanya. Tambe na Abraham will call Adam. But oh, really, Nati, won't need any faults for now because say Nyangopon son or person we na. Say Nyangopon person ye no. Enti ye ko heya so ye de. Nyangopon mo ko Genesis chapter 12. Ye ko he saja de nisi ko ye.
Genesis chapter 12 verse 1. Now the Lord has said unto Abraham, get thee out of thy country, and from thy kindred, and from thy father's house, unto the land that I will show thee. And I will make of thee a great nation, and I will bless thee, and make thy name great, and thou shalt be a blessing. I will bless them that bless thee, and curse him that curse thee, and in thee shall all the families of the earth be blessed.
You hear? Can amplify.
Genesis chapter
12, that's one coming. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Genesis chapter 12, verse 1 coming. Now in Haran, the Lord said to Abram, go for yourself for your own advantage away from your country, from your relatives and your father's house, to the land that I will show you.
Asama ya ka to Yankopon e kase. O se so wo hwe Yankopon na wo kana asama. Yankopon o ka wiye wa asase. Enti obi bi obagi Yankopon gi no, na say ne end no, say ne be. But obi na feel. When you believe God, enti do obi an go say Yankopon say mo be fa form wi. Wa form wi because o Yankopon tra. Na wa fa no because wo wo be ware ja ware. O ko tra so bi. Onim. And the same statement of Abraham, what catch you know why? And you can't wrong say Abraham, come back say Abraham, and Benham so much serious said to because God does Patobusa Isra. Wobusia Ayesra, you can't shra, Obia Unkon, and anything. Obia own Yankopot again, because yes, no need Charles, but then Yankopot. Paul, no need Charles, but then Yankopot. Paul Wangoba, but he was blessed. Paul, when Yaire. But he was blessed. Yesu hunamu wango, Paul hunamu wango. Yesu hunamu wangare. But he was blessed. Jeremiah, David was see as so. Elisha, Osi David, on God will say Similia no double. But these guys were blessed. And the proof of their blessing is that God telling us that every generation their building must be built up on the foundation of the prophets and apostles. So this morning I would like to ask you a question. Saying as well catch Abraham now, God deals with seed. Until one more Abraham Abba be your money now, God will bless them. Then also, as someone Yankopon I catch Abraham now. Abraham Abba now so I had to be or catch him. Read.
Genesis 12. Now in Haran, the Lord said to Abram, go for yourself, for your own advantage away from your country, from your relatives and your father's house, to the land that I will show you, and I'll make of you a great nation. And I'll bless you with abundant increase of favors, and make your name famous and distinguished. And you'll be a blessing, dispensing good to others. And I'll bless those who bless you, who confer prosperity or happiness upon you, and curse him who curses or uses insolent language toward you.
What did Abraham want? What did Abraham want? Okay.
Simple kind of advantage.
Then what did not tell him? Obibia won't get the out of their kindred. Because when you believe God, you get to get out. And your first case to 2-9. But the system governing that kind of families, you must get out. Because outside in Yankopon, as well catch Abraham, the woman in our side, and yet who never see kind of Yankopon Abraham, and get more to the lady, because the former young one in Yeska. Name Mono, saying Yankopon, a year what it Abraham. Dear Abraham so any say ogidi na obeye se Nyankopon so ogidi no ko Nyankopon te biem. So we did not believe God to become billionaires. We do not believe God so that when you found back, we believe God to become the image and the likeness of God. How many of us have believed God? And Umadi Nyankopon only Ernest bet much Nyankopon na na sadi Nyankopon nso Nyankopon say Ernest die no enye obenye Nyankopon tira ne mo ne yere kwa wa obawa fa no wa fa ba no de be ma ne mo say wo nya Nyankopon say Nyankopon ni program no is different from our program. Teresa may believe God you understand, but not with the essence of he getting God. She believe because ni fie go for winter say Nyankopon so de say obi gidie wo Nyankopon mu a na wo di gidie ko say Nyankopon mu say you can be like God. This is God's program. Na mo ye din mo kasa yi et say enya clear ye be he to kwa no obo say Abraham eye na ma mienu onya gidie wo Nyankopon mu say Nyankopon a magine di no I can become like God. will fulfill his will. The word believe, V, demands commitment. Because what you believe, you must pursue and become like that. Until ultimately kasa meje pasero kidi. Na me ba radio na wonder. Because me ba handa me ba kan esa wote na obeye pepepe. Until tambia na me be awake no so ye de ben.
Awake.
Tambia na me move no so ye de ben.
Move.
Tambia na me di juma no so ye de ben.
Udijuma.
Because at the end of your belief in me, you must become like me. So then no wonder that in the journey, in the life of Abraham, he was walking. Because he was always searching how to get what he believed, and at the end of the journey, become like that. You know what Hebrews? Who said Abraham? You call Hebrews chapter 11. Now, what we up to verse 6.
In you will all the families and kindred of the earth be blessed.
What?
And by you they will bless themselves.
What?
So Abraham departed as the Lord had directed him.
I just want to tell Abraham koi. Okay, Bible now. The way Moses can know because say, oh here some can say, for God has spoken. Then say, what can that do?
God has said.
Can one verse 1. Genesis chapter 12. Verse 1. What can I say?
Amplified.
Amplified.
Now in Haran the Lord said to Abram.
Also say we say can. Obaka say afi omo we should now in Haran the Lord no. But King James you know what can I say?
Now the Lord has said unto
The
Abraham.
Lord had said unto Abraham. So what is this? But the time ben okay. Time ben Abraham to anamo. Chini can say.
Na Awurade ka kyerɛ Abraham
Almost
sɛ
you know. Now the what? But King James in the say other version go.
Message.
God told Abram.
And also now.
No.
But King James you know.
Told.
Pass to us you Jenny. Ya also the name you know.
Na Awurade ka kyerɛ Abraham.
That's a friend of Becca. And the Abraham be an award from Yano. Every day God is telling them. Any Abraham on earth. Because the seed of Abraham is Abraham. Abraham Naba. Abraham. You understand? So if Abraham abashed Teresa one, Teresa so your Abraham was singing. Until I said Teresa so you ofi. Because what you believe, on traffic. Nyamujidino. The Obanyamujidino. Who press you? Tell you, also in the realm of the spirit, no, and never see, bam. But above from here, we wake up to become what has happened in the realm of the spirit. In the so torn rich, all right. That may be tossed as so. A bit 20,000 years as an atom. Yeah, whom, and never Janington. Until I be a whom, you know. Or contempt so be aware from because obi oya honhom ni no apart from Nyankopon apren say imprano untimi imprano eyedan na Elijah o ka kire Ahab say matise nso bi ba tunika ko wote ponko so bi chariots na wako na Elijah was satisfied no so kon wo tumbirika ko sign Ahab ho. Say all the Bible no crano. You have a book of Revelation example. A better take the writer of book of Revelation no 1 second. But said you who you are taking 1 second no. So obeya no hunamo Japan when I atini. A better take how many minutes? How many days?
I will check.
You who be 1 second no. Say obe translate aba hunamu say you kuta babu ya better take how many years? And to say, Wabrabono, what we are home, dear. Now, point you to Sawo, you believe in him, you possess God, you become like God, you fulfill Isaiah 9:6, but it will take you so many years before you can confirm that. Minimum say, have you believed in God? Which of they believe what they did? Which of they believe? Verse 15, no, Abraham's, you know. Chapter 15. Chapter 15, verse 1.
Chapter 15, verse 1. After these things, the word of the Lord came unto Abraham in a vision, saying,
Anka Abraham, or Virginia Copodi, and Onan Mujidi say, me, Manoba. This is the controversy. Yen na say ya, also you kind of was on channel. Now you say, okay, Obu Aroya, no, did you use it? Did they tell you use it?
So, which one are you?
Obu also on the Juma, and say, no, be okay, you want some, no, Kojeti. Never get to know GD. Monkai.
After these things, the word of the Lord came unto Abraham in a vision, saying, Fear not, Abraham, I am thy sword, and thy exceeding great reward.
Tell you. Oh, the Mokatrino, can amplify.
After these things, the word of the Lord came to Abram in a vision, saying, Fear not, Abram, I'm your shield, your abundant compensation, and your reward shall be exceedingly great.
And okay, yes, tree.
Na nsɛm akyi no Awurade asɛm ba Abraham nkyɛn
Awurade asɛm ba Abraham nkyɛn
anisoade hunu mu sɛ nsuro Abraham me ne wo kyɛm
me yɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn ne sika na Abraham kyɛm Nyankopɔn na yɛ Abraham kyɛm
na wakatua bɛdɔɔso pii
ate twi de sɛ wakatua sɛ Nyankopɔn na yɛ Abraham akatua kan English no kan bi.
After these things, the word of the Lord came to Abram in a vision, saying, Fear not, Abram, I'm your shield, your abundant compensation.
What it will? Your abundant compensation. Abraham, me Nyankopon, me yawo wakatua. Say Nyankopon, we believe the V in him in order to possess him. That is the covenant. How many of us are keeping our covenant? But before a bit my year fulfilled, maybe you know what the more country was country daddy.
And some year children, Awurade asɛm ba Abraham kyɛn sɛ nsoade hu mu sɛ nsuro Abraham me na wɔkyɛm
me ya wɔkyɛm
na wakatua bɛdɔɔso pii
monye ne yie na momfa me ya wɔkyɛm na me ya wakatua. Can English no and ask how them.
After these things, the word of the Lord came unto Abraham in the vision, saying, Fear not, Abraham, I am thy shield, and thy exceeding great reward.
Muntio, verse 2 no kind.
And Abraham said, Lord God, what can you give me, since I am going on from this world childless?
What?
And he who shall be the owner and heir of my house.
So Abraham, not awesome bosom. What was their concept of worshiping idols? And that bosom no bosom no. When you say, in Pomo bosom, to their mindset, they believe they are serving God or they are worshiping God. But Oma Jay Omo Sum Yankopon say, one, that Omunyankopon, so called Yankopon, Ebabom Hoban, one, Obama what my fruit from, two, until we are sleeping by ya, so Moya, Unya Bibia yet. Some car and that's on Moya, your banner Moya, even though your banner, what on bail. You be useless. You're trouble I want to be. Ye told you I won't copy. Ye check the body I won't be. And my money in that dispensation, no. What you check on one after at the money could say, Colonel in the corner. What check on one after now? On one after her, and my money in that dispensation. So, maybe one Teresa. That's a Teresa war. Teresa not to press off for this Samami. We are the system here. Because in that dispensation, no, say Teresa sister, eba no be wa, amani Teresa bia. All because of person kwabia so no, oyi say onwo no afiri ne so. And this is our time no, obi ko sabi that time no, abosom na no mo from nyame no. Obo ko obo ha, okopa ya Friday be awo ba o. Say no way they did go body. So you see that mind coming to Abraham. And now Abraham, maybe so can be verse 1 and 2. What the kind?
After these things, the word of the Lord came to Abram in a vision, saying, Fear not, Abram, I am your shield.
I am your shield.
Your abundant compensation.
Shield now, what send me the one no penny.
And your reward shall be exceedingly great. And Abram said, Lord God, what can you give me, since I am going on from this world childless?
What?
And he who shall be the owner and heir of my house is this steward, Eliezer of Damascus.
Sorry. Tina Abraham ono na ko wodi Nyankopɔ de apede.
Apeba out.
Say ewiase we make me ka say 21st century church we don't believe in God. V. Na fine. Who share dressing? Is that the way God dress?
No.
Because what you believe, you know, V, you know, the only thing that you have to do is that when you believe V, you are committed to become like that. Now uchi body over that's a body uchi ojai ube so na usumbe ebe the uchi no you don't become he obi ha wa yefufu cause he believe in fufu na dey did obi fufu because what did he say man dey be that is strong. Says how they tell from here. We believe in things to take something good out of it. Yeah. But we don't believe in things to become like that. That's the controversy in this way. So you see Abraham. Now when you go post on Mama was me neighbor.
When am I?
Huh? Me saying that this concept as I saw FBELIEF. Say me jedi say bibi ho easy met me ka say wiaso e asa se besin de wona wonyi Nyankopon de f no say won nim say Nyankopon kakra bi bia be 10%. And upon many people have believed in God. The F but believe in say jedi say ade bi wo ho no every child can do it. Adom Nyankopon ni o. Everybody F yenya ma yetam yo ko Yesu ewo no one fa VF na de wo on the V that is how it was commanded in heaven that he came to his own received not, but as many as received him to them gave he power to become the sons of God. We know that also even to them that believe in his name. And to that Abraham all cast much in Nyankopon say na all person gye Nyankopon di ne yi bonyini yo afini so because in the krom hon o ano abosonsom wo se ne na ho nya no abosom abosonsom ne nyina ya som e de pamwa ya som e de pa ya fro ba ya som e de pa bambo ya kwa ko ya som e de gye nkunudie e wa ko ya som anyame ya som nyame e de pa emwa ma me ba pass exams. Yes, some at the Pamwa, Mamaduma, a Tumpon, those are no mere fool. Nobody for the BBC. Ninyamino, and the Diamano. Say, all someone, and for so Benyan said, or no sandy pan, and Benya Bambo, then not by Abba. But you assume now because of what you get on earth. We worship God, we believe God to become like God. I don't know, it's being clear. I don't know. Do you believe in God? Nenya go power no tower yes. O ma me tower yes. Ye ye mama de o sa ko bi. Passes. Ye wie. O de verse 2. On say Abraham, o ka che Nyankopon say no and dear man no and no neighbor and no be friends as so na ko Eliezer na bi na de. Ti aso Nyankopon kan.
And Abraham continued, Look, you have given me no child, and a servant born in my house is my heir. And behold, the word of the Lord came to him, saying, This man shall not be your heir.
What is the Nyankopon kan? A bedroom verse 6, jump to verse 6.
Verse 6. And he, Abraham, believed in,
what?
Trusted in.
So Abraham have to stop just say, that nonsense. Have you stopped that nonsense? You know the reason why you don't want to be disciplined? Because you don't want to be like God. You know the reason why you are free is because you don't want to be like God. Because if you want to be like God, there are strict principles. You can't become like God. We will not be the Christ of God if we have our own freedom. You can't. You can't go to any place you like and become like God. Anybody who wants to be like God must live in Jerusalem. It doesn't matter whichever area you are. Because God is always in Jerusalem. Oh. And it is only in Jerusalem that we can know God and become like Him. Anybody who wants to get God, who believes in God, must live within the meanings of Jerusalem. Because it is only in the meanings of Jerusalem that you can protect the divine nature of God. Amen. Anybody who believes in God must live within the principles and the people like God. Why do we go to church? Yes. Ladies, why do you people go to church?
You basically go there to worship God.
Which God?
That's what we do.
So you think ladies go to church to worship God?
That's what they do.
You believe that? I believe they go there. Now life will be here. Now if you want to get God, or dressing must be governed by a pillar of truth, righteousness, equity, justice, and judgment. Sammy, you might call about a pen and carpet. Or draw about pen now. Oh, then with justice, truth, or be an open about pen or correct. Okay, my almost one.
Na sumo
da e o se me yakopon bon ma so nyere
o ma so yakopon ma ya bo afo ma
yakopon botaye o yere o ka so yesa bepe na ngare da o yere wo zomu ka no nti o so yere o so pono be ma ko ma o to se o nyere
ese o bepe o de anza no akọ
enti oba na se mu no na o so da yeda so wo yere na sometimes that the other say obat ma so die ho na no be bi wa wa de ne say wa de you yira chere e wa de chere de se wa komo obat ma chere bo so se wa komo na ka be hu ni say nti ho mo be bo na no ba bi jira ota so ye wedding na ko ponya ne bota enu na o ba pa ye because I wa kwa brother justice na katem da ya o so for bank be wa o ba no na ni makeups niema waye niti de wosia honam se de wos ode hwadwa hweda sesere se de wositi na ko heda ya justice who fa bank be war no se de se wo akoma nu yakopɔ de kire wo no de ama wo ntimi nya yakopɔ bota ne yakopɔ de kire na ne ti ya se gwada kire me kire o ha pam no ko fa ge na ya so war na wo ntimi nya yakopɔ kristo no ene na be wa ha wo to wa ware o you are married before you marry okay anya sa ka wo ntimi nya o ba bi nsinchen wo de na yi ni nsinchen.
What did you show me?
When you piercing chain, say, be said, a common. Let the no come on, so Pieba, on your believer crop panasa. Daddy, your young system, your young one, share yes, we want. Say, a Japan. Obia pay you young coupon because of the problem be a war. Any Nagopon program, they say, who know, say I was a becano. That I may know him and know him better and the power of resurrection. Now, Abraham, or no catching Nagopon say, oh, Niban. A bedroom verse 6, till can verse 6.
Verse 6. And he, Abraham, believed in.
I think that all continue Nagopon can do. And he, Abraham, believed him. But your temptation will be the someone open a cosamba. Ekosamba so poba wote brofo a wo ware wi a oba na de ama wo na wonte brofo na wo boa no oba wo ye kristo wo ware ni wi a e wo ha na de a wote brofo na sa pia ba ha be me bie na wo hwe ase a oba wo na hwe ase ne wo mpe na ho na peta me hwe ni no muyo according to the Uncle Pastor, so they didn't go at all. I want to be an enemy. It means I resorted. Next, Piaba. Who football? Who did the football we through? And now my ball can be baby. Born on ball. Some ball is African women's a. Who? What are you? No. Overball. Mama, I don't want to go with that. You could die. Some of you. What I want your ball. Some people. Upper wrestling. I feel the ability years with you. After this message, I feel nobody let you. Me, Unum say, say, Teresa G years with you. Say AF. Nanyankopon de V no wotunu dana and nanyankopon pia ne sama ne because it is only through suffering that you can partake the divine nature of God. Nanyankopon na I didn't know about gold. Who go to the gold what is saying then nanyankopon the gold is saying as I said him when gold e be se book time abo mo abo and God let that sort no and they gold nuggets gold kasa uko AG how many feet our form according to that the moko underground we move to inside one and the mom do more like second. Look at where God has put gold. Next thing you upon your gold, how do you get God? Enti amania Teresa Befam chief Befam is a kind of upon and buy another. Said the brother no soda, you know. Yes, yeah, lie. Anna grow papa go in cry pain cry cursing cry owoni cry nyankopon edre homa Jerusalem osuro no and I lie but obi kire ho a watches kotokuro uduru ha no twoti ye twoti a no wrakoro mu fama no nka mi mu sa so owura ma na so fama no
Accurate. Owura ma so ngo.
Oh, ma for am dey.
Begin the land filans.
We couldn't be any monko. You do me so. Hwese kana.
No, sa ko di to. Fa ko de dey. Agora problem dey. Tess, do you want to protect the advantage of God? Yeah. Go to 2 Peter 1, verse 1 to 4. And the moment I can maybe see. Near course. We may yet believe in God. Believe, V, is what every purpose fulfillment is built on. You believe, BELIEVE, is what every purpose fulfillment is built on. 2, believe, BELIEVE, is the only way we can bear fruit. And it's a one to be swaba, or V, you know, and my, and only Pabian no. Show up at the beginning of this wedding in Anno. I was assuming in Abba because ni pepper moi. Ya ma kwan ma home invedi ya eh wonu say obi mu ye program a omo wade bi on consult say nsuo nton hawo today to market this house spirit no nsuo nton enti e easy say spirit bi ba so but obi ni o de nyame ye de ni ko for do mo chi no do they believe V in God or the F? And why do they believe? It is how one did they for chi did the mabbe chi say tete me me say repeat say dey hwe e ma ho e din so ba e be pin say ware na fa for kam but dispensation bi ba ya ho say obenya ya fra ba e try no and she can do anything. Enti what me preso ama ni sister na from for the same kawo chika me sister of funny younger sister me elder sister say me wura me ntimi wo e bi na to sa you know hana no that we are saying and let me tell you this say hey we will only God to solve our earthly problems and without going to the kingdom of God. Now imagine Pastor Teresa, need younger sister. Not Teresa, now find younger sister. Or never told me then. All because one woman. What do you have to check? Wafina. Sarah. No one for Hagar. Who brought the idea? Sarah was on some form. Sarah, no one so what you were home. I was on someone got another papa and Abraham. I was on someone a young piano. And a Hannah song away. Now, on one Timmy cuckoo idea, but on the side for Miss he picked it from that damn word. Now, all catch you could Abraham. Look at the one she was able to convince Abraham. Because I didn't say, Muno, and Wahana Saba. Mubuha, Munting, and Potis Abanyaska. And you need to be corrected this morning. We believe God to become godly. That is a reward. Then, Mark and Tibato, what decided about to Higa better made them home. Then Neko Adu. Now, Captain, to get a Neko's one.
I said, you need a crack.
What is that? How? So, per se, me, this Hegada, Nayaba, Negeno.
You be from my bentin.
I bump your grammar.
How can a woman do this? A man won't pay now. Not because of them word, you know. Sawango, they did by your own head, you Jawa because one. You can't even cry, won't count. You're too much, I won't to me for me back. Because won't go back. We are Bama now, Yakasana Kabia. Sawaka, they will come back now, but we are never. Yakasana Kabia, shut up. One man are talking, you are also talking. When men were men, where were you? Where were you? And when men are talking, you have audacity to open your mouth and talk. No, am I not a man? You are a man. Oh, your man, this is how it started. And that is how, this is what Abraham wants to correct. And look at Abraham before when I was a woman. Then I opened the woman, one wall. Now, go point the woman, Abraham. And the guy was saying, I think with God. Look at me. If you said you are blessed me, you do all this for me. Why are you not giving me a chance? And this guy born in my house, Eliezer, is going to inherit me. And God said, it's not Eliezer. Somebody of your body. Somebody of your seed. Of your own loins. Then getting to the verse 6. Look at the good news over there. He believed. Look at the good news over there. Yes.
Verse 6. And he, Abraham, believed in.
And he, Abraham, believed in God.
Trusted in.
Trusted in.
Relied on.
Relied on.
Remain steadfast to the Lord.
Remain steadfast to the Lord. That Lord, if this is how it is, oh, thank God. Now that I can get you, I'm okay. And God said, hey, this guy is righteous. So how many people are righteous on this end? Only those who believe God to get God. That is the reason why. When you have a principle, you can offer. So, yeah. Age, I go from Pechu to my mama. Over 52 years. Send your papa. He doesn't believe.
I know what God has said.
You know what God has said. I also know what God has said. Preparation crown out the veggie cream. Now, who can say about what I'm a comfort on? Who say Abraham? One man from Saudi Assassin, and then we want to go. Now, when you say ministry crown, and yet say, yeah, that woman open here, Mao. Say, or no, we have not changed the concept of Abraham. Say, you're penny my mail. Yes, a sign. Yes, a sign. And then you now the type of focal I told you before. I'm going to pay it. This was so we are pastor and go for about what a solution to their own personal challenges.
Yeah.
Not to believe in God. Some of you are say do you know what people are following? It is not because of heaven. Most of them is because of what he can do for them. And when I say we are pastor now, sir, omunya beko me say oti ha some person was aka nyankopon a be ma e wane no ma no ye nya wo no
na o ya wo
yes what ya wo so de me hu na ye nya wo same a wo tu ko nyankopon ni bompa e se nyankopon ma mkuru na wo no me age nyankopon ma asa na wo frame Moses 10 years so you think God has changed na make us no the person prove chemu ni aware e come to say no e mu sign na pursue how to get God. We marry without getting nature. Is your wife looking for nature of God? Is you as a husband looking for the nature of God? Honest, Joy, we lay down structures and systems that will help me. I will be comfort in that house. If we want to get God, let's lay justice. Let's lay truth. Equity and righteousness, because you can't get God without laying these pillars. You can't get God without the meaning of New Jerusalem. Do you have the meanings of New Jerusalem in your house as a system? That coffee. Why are smart? What's wrong with it? How are you? Put them in focus. Because I'm sorry, coming, Papa, my warriors. Now, we need any pastor. Our Indian by
050
Mama, aquatic crew, one is so. Namaba, eradi, nidi. Mama, aquatic crew, one is so. Yeah, Namaba, eradi. Etena, me de berserati.